The current design process in the machinery industry is fragmented, with loose connections and no common language between the mechanical, electrical, and software design disciplines. Difficulty in simulating machines to evaluate design concepts and finding problems early in the process. Mechatronics Concept Designer will help you meet these challenges.
A lot of different people are involved in the process. We have the mechanical engineering, the electrical engineering.
It was somehow a throw-over-the-wall process. So the mechanical designer defines something and throw it over the wall to the electrical design.
We spend a lot of time today to share the information.
All the departures have to work together to find the right solutions in a very early stage.
Different departments that work together have different software tools.
Today it's to define the whole requirements for the functionality of the machine.
So in the concept phase, we define 80% of the product costs.
Time to market is the main challenge for development of new products.
So what we need is a competitive edge to bring out our products faster to the market.
Mechatronics Concept Designer introduces a groundbreaking approach to the machine design process. In a few steps, you get to a virtual definition of your machine concept, your desired functionality and machine behavior.
Our first impression about Mechatronics Designer was that it's easy to use. It was possible to design a geometric model in a very short time, to implement actuators and sensors, and to make the system move.
MCD gives us the opportunity to do in the design phase the iteration between electronics and mechanics. So we can reduce failures in a very early stage. We don't have to try it on the shop floor. We can do it in the system.
Mechatronics Concept Designer introduces a verification technology that is built on a newly integrated gaming engine. This will help to validate concept designs at a very early stage of the development process.
The customer needs something that allows him to show the requirements, to show the functions of different disciplines and not only the mechanic. And therefore it's very important to have something to show it easier.
The gaming engine in the MCD helps very much. It makes the system very responsive, very dynamic.
The gaming engine may be the reason that the simulation is calculated almost real-time without loss of time. During the simulation process, the user can interactively evaluate the machine behavior. MCD enables a functional modeling approach to machine design, forming the foundation to provide an interdisciplinary view of the mechatronics system machine.
From my point of view, the first software that will be available in the market to do functional modeling.
Functional units and intelligent objects enable reuse of completed, validated data-embedded objects in the upfront concept design stage. These units contain data from multiple disciplines like sensors, actuators, cams, and operations.
The customer is able to put those objects in the library and to reuse them every time he needs something similar like that.
Since many of the supplied machines are customized for our customer requirements, these machines are unique. Frequently, the machines are redesigned and rebuilt for new applications. With the opportunities of MCD and virtual commissioning, we will be able to simulate the modifications of the unique machines and minimize downtime and sources of errors during rebuild phase.
The
Mechatronics Concept Designer and the Team Center backbone will become the central theme in the development process, beginning from the requirements to the construction and the virtual commissioning to the release of a function. With support of the early interdisciplinary approach of the MCD, we expect to shorten development time up to 20%.
It's a door opener for the machinery industry.
The MCD will be for us the missing link from the old design process for the future required design process.